Hey friends, welcome to One Little Coder. In this video, we're going to learn about a new, probably the world's first multimodal AI chatbot. What is multimodal? What is this AI chatbot? That's exactly what we're going to see in this video. First, before even we begin further, I would like to say that this is currently a prototype from Salesforce. It's built on a model called BLIP2, B-L-I-P, BLIP2. So what is this BLIP2? This BLIP2 is basically an enhanced version of image model, but it can do multimodal stuff, and that's exactly why we could build a chatbot. So vision to language model, so that's exactly why there is a chatbot built on top of it, which is multimodal. Now what is multimodal? When you combine different medium, like for example you have got voice, you have got video, you have got text, then when you can combine everything in one space, one vector space or one latent space, that's what we call as multimodal. So now when we call something a multimodal chatbot, it basically means a chatbot where you can, let's say in this particular case, you can send an image and then you can text in language. So which means the chatbot can understand image. The chatbot can also understand text. So it's a combination of two different, completely different kind of input, but the chatbot can understand both of these cases and give you enough responses. So we're going to jump into the video and then understand it and also see examples of how this BLIP2 based AI multimodal chat works. Probably the world's first multimodal chatbot, but I'm so excited that what it can bring. So let's get started. You can see on the screen, I've got a very simple image. So what I've got this image where I've uploaded this pizza. Let's say that I'm a human who doesn't know if it is a pizza or no. So I first said that, caption this. So it said a close-up of a pepperoni pizza on a plate. Okay. Then I asked, what is this? It said it's a pepperoni pizza. Cool. I asked, can you calculate the approximate calories? I didn't even say approximate. I said approx calories. It said 450 calories. I don't know. I didn't check. Then I asked, is it healthy? Upright, like upfront, it said no. So let me ask how to cook this. Give me the steps to cook this and then send it. Now it's going to tell me how to cook this. It says to make a pepperoni pizza, start with the pre-made pizza crust, then top it with pepperoni cheese, and so that's it. It didn't give more information because of the word limit probably, but you can see how it goes. Like you can literally ask question sending an image. So I'm going to start this completely from scratch. Then we are going to look into the model, a little bit of details, how you can access this model. So let me refresh this page. Currently, this is a Hugging Face Gradio demo that is running on Hugging Face Spaces. So the BLIP2 model from Salesforce is currently hosted on Hugging Face. I think it's hosted on Hugging Face. Yeah, let's link models. Yes, the model is hosted on Hugging Face. So you can use it. It's from Salesforce Research. Currently, it's a research prototype, not intended for production use. Looks like this is a blanket statement now. Almost everybody is using just to be not caught if there is a mistake. We can see what is happening with Bing Chat, Chatbot, ChatGPT. So maybe everybody is trying to be very cognizant about what they're putting it out. Enough. But let's start with something. So I'm going to first send this picture. So I'm going to say I give this picture and I'm going to say caption this. When I say caption this, it's going to give me a caption. It says a sunset over the oceans with the palm trees. Cool. Now I can ask so many things. I can say, what's the color in the image? And let's see if it can give me the color in the image. So it says red, orange, yellow. I don't, maybe there's some yellow. What is the good thing about this image? I don't know if I can trust what is a good thing from an AI perspective, but it shows a beautiful sunset with palm trees in the foreground. Let me try something else. I'm going to upload this picture. So let's say this is a picture that we have uploaded. Said caption this, and it says pink peonies in the garden. So what is a flower? Where is its origin? And we can ask the question, and then it says peony is a flower that originates from China. Ooh, that's nice. What's the scientific name of this? I should have put a question mark, I think, ideally. Okay. Scientific name of this flower. It says peony. Is peony the scientific name? I'm not sure. Okay. What are other flowers similar to this? Let's see if it can give me some other flower names. Okay, peony is a flower. What are the scientific name? Okay, so the chat looks like a little messed up because of the history, but anyways, like as you can see, this is quite an amazing achievement what it has been done. Now we know the demo, we know how it works, we know it is good, where you can upload an image, ask it a caption, ask it a question. So now what are those images? So as you can see, there are two images, two models here. I'm sorry, two models. The captioning has been done by BLIP2 OPT 6.7 billion. So BLIP is connected with OPT. So that's the captioning model. For the chat, they're using BLIP2 FLAN T5XXL. BLIP2 FLAN T5XXL. So I think in my opinion, FLAN is one of the most underrated models, especially in the world of instruction, fine-tuned instruction model. I've been thinking a lot about making a video on FLAN. Hopefully this again reminds me that I should make a video on FLAN. So that's FLAN. So now if you want to know a little bit more on the blip itself, so now what is blip already had its first version. This is blip2, bootstrapping language image pre-training with frozen image encoders and large language models. Now what can it do? It can do this thing. So I've got an image encoder. It can take the image, and it can have like text and all these kind of information. Now you can have like a vision to language generative learning where you have got the language model. You could give an image and then say write a romantic message that goes along with this photo. And that's exactly what we try to do here. So you've got you've got an image, and then you can send this message, and it can potentially give you a oh, love is like a sunset, it's beautiful. But it's even better when you share it with the one you love. Oh, it's actually nice, honestly nice. So it can do this. This is the multimodal chatbot that we were talking at the start of the video, where you can give a picture. So the model can take the picture, and then it can write romantic message and then give it to you. It's quite innovative. It's quite nice, and I'm so excited that this model exists. And I'm also surprised not a lot of people have been talking about it. Like, I mean, like honestly speaking, everybody has been talking about ChatGPT. Well, ChatGPT is of course good, but like we are in the multimodal space. Like we can literally use this to do a lot of stuff. Like for example, imagine like you can upload this image and then say that you want to create a website with this background, like similar theme, or a shirt, like a copy edit message. I think the potential is really good, and I would love to explore these two individual models separately and then make separate tutorials. But this video wanted to be short, more like an introduction to probably the world's first multimodal AI chatbot. And I hope this was fun and helpful. If you've got any question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, I'll link this Hugging Face Spaces of BLIP2, which is like a multimodal chatbot, and also the link of BLIP2 GitHub repository in the YouTube description. Please let me know if you have any other question. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.